acoustic beauty in this. The sound of nature in the concrete cemetery of these suburbs. But I wonder, is the song simply the melody I hear, or are there words? A language I am unable to comprehend. My family speaks to one another in birdsong. To me, it sounds like a cacophony of words, not dissimilar from chirping lost to the sound of wheels scraping on pavement, a dog barking 3 houses down. I do not belong here. In this neighborhood, birds sing with the rising of the sun. It is quieter then. Most of suburbia is sleeping. Cars tucked away behind garage doors, dogs curled up neatly at the end of master's bed. I am still awake. I do not understand these morning rituals. The women in my family rise early, sing to their children for breakfast. Their voices are delicate, but years of practice has taught them projection. They were made to perform, so they grew into songbirds. My mother had a particularly loud voice, but she knew how to hold her softness in her chest, how to build symphony from everyday syllables. She tried to teach me to sing. As mother birds teach their offspring, song passed down from generation to generation, but I was afraid to speak. My voice never sounded like theirs, so no matter how hard I flap my wings, I will never sing like a bird.